Hello guys and welcome back. My name is Kazem Moridi and I like to teach others how to code. This is one of my videos that it's about Flutter and I'm going to teach you how to use another widget called card. Card widget can be used to beautifully show some items like information or even a text or even contacts in a app. I'm currently following the last video's code, which is a simple contact app, which has a simple scaffold, app bar, and a list view builder. In the last video, we learned how to create custom classes. I create a custom class called contacts. This custom class takes two inputs. One of them is a name, which is a string type. Another one is number. And we save these contacts as a list in here inside this build method scope of a stateless widget. And I'm going to change this text over here, item builder, and replace it with the card widget. As you see, it's not really beautiful to use it text directly. I think it's a little crude to use text widget directly in here. So I'm going to change it to something else. Let's create uh, Let's create another widget. I'm going to create a widget called card, which is a child widget, which takes a string, which it takes another widget as its inputs. Let me just remove this one. And you see, I think let's see what does. As you see, the whole thing become a little more beautiful than before. And we also have multiple option to use in this card, and there is need to add some feature to it. Let's go ahead. I'm going to add a padding to this child. Let's add some padding. I'm going to add padding to the text widget, and it takes only this one. As you see, it's become a lot more beautiful. Let's change it to more than 16. I think 16 is enough. Let's go. As you see, it's become a lot more better than before. I like to add some margins to the bottom and top of this one. Let's add some margin over here. It has a default margin setup. Let's add constant each insets dot. I'm going to add all 8. Let's see what happens. As you see, the distance between each card has been increased by 8 pixels, which is probably enough. I like to show the numbers at the end of this card. Let's go ahead and do that. I like to use rows for it. Let's change the text to the row widget and add another text at the end of it. And I'm going to use number for it. I'm going to add the number to the rows. As you see, why there is okay. It's because it's not a string. Let's go. As you see, the number has been added to over here. I like to make change to it. I want to name it over here, and then the number should be at the end of this part. Let's go. Let's do that. I'm going to add the main. I'm going to use main axis alignment dot a space between to make same effect. Let's change add number to another thing. For example, I want to add 55585, and I think it's good. Let's change it like this because I think it's a lot more beautiful than before. As you see, the number has been changed, and we can also use the string as a number because by using the number directly, there's some information like, for example, we can use dash or some special text like a star or sharp. We cannot use that in the number, and I think that's good for now. So we learn how to use cards in Flutter and how to make some change, add some margin, add some padding to it, and I think it's not bad. I want to add something else. I want to, I want to make some changes to it. And but I think it's enough for this video. We're going to do that later. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please consider leaving a like or subscribing to my YouTube channel. Happy coding!